What time is it? It's time to do the planking challenge. I'm going to do probably at least 2 minutes I've been up to, but we'll see. And I challenge you to see if you can do more than me. And keep in mind, I started at 1 minute or less, and I've been working my way up to it. And, you know, I'm healing from an injury and lots of other things. So don't compare yourself to me. Compare yourself to me, and let's start on that 30-second mark, which was right there. And I'm going to focus on breathing and trying to have good form. I'm a little congested. That's right. I can tell it's getting hard for me. All right. I think that's 220, if I counted right. Keep going, keep going, keep going if you're still going. I'm going to give my arms a little stretching out. Remind you again, it's not about beating me, although I do challenge you to try because it's just fun and good. It's good to have somebody to try to beat a little bit. But really, it's about beating your old record or improving. And I find, I call it the cha-cha-cha. I wax and wane a little bit because I got arm things and stuff. Life, you know. But in general, the more I show up and do it regularly, the better I get. That's a general truth that remains true. Anyway, I hope that you're getting better every day. I think I want to thank you for showing up as your authentic self and let me be my authentic self. And if you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, it helps support me in that endeavor. And you can check out the description for other ways you can support me. I wrote a book about the Head Hutt here, in case you're interested. That's on Amazon. There's a link to that too. Always, I want to remind you that you're worthy of your own unconditional love, first, foremost, always and always. And I want to encourage you to embody more curiosity, more courage, more fitness, and more freedom. Ciao for now.